morning, everyone. I'm so tired. It is currently 8:14. I overslept, but it's okay because I don't teach first period. I don't teach period 5 today, so I have some time. My class starts at 9, so I kind of have to rush and get ready for school. But I got this in the mail yesterday. I didn't open it because I was so tired coming home from school yesterday. We had basketball practice. I didn't get home until super late, and so I didn't even open my package. I just threw it and went to sleep. So I am just praying that this is the correct laptop case now. As you guys know, I bought a laptop case. I already have it packed up over there ready to ship out again. So I am just praying that this is the correct one because I really want this to be the correct laptop case. It looks better. It looks more like the correct size, so just praying it's the right one. It's the same packaging, which makes me nervous because I'm nervous. Why did I swear this is still, I think, the wrong one. It makes absolutely no sense. This is definitely a MacBook Air because mine is a square, and do you see how it like tilts down? So I don't even want to open it because I don't think this is the correct one. I bought a whole new color. I bought this like space gray color, but I don't even want to open it because I don't think it's the correct size. Because like in comparison, yeah, this is definitely made for the MacBook Airbook. So tired. You can see it like tilts down as like a MacBook Air would, right? You know how MacBook Pros, they're like square. MacBook Airs, they like tilt downward because they're a smaller version, and that's what it looks like it's doing. So I don't think I brought the right one again. My hair is a mess. I don't even think I want to open it because I know this isn't the right size. Sad day. Okay, so that was it. I wanted to unbox this, but I didn't even open it yesterday night, and now I'm sad because this is still the wrong size. Why can I not buy the correct laptop size? I looked into it. I made sure that it was the correct MacBook Pro. It said for the specific version that I use, and it's still, this is definitely for a MacBook Air, which is so sad. So I'm not even gonna open it. I'm gonna return this. I already have my other cases packed up over there that I'm gonna return because it's not worth it to keep less stuff that isn't the correct size. So that's it. I am getting ready for school. My hair is a mess, but it's okay. I am making coffee. And I'm gonna do a day in the life, so I'm gonna wake up and become more functional first, and then I'll come back to you guys once I'm done teaching. I'm teaching periods 6, 7, 8, and then I have club. This light is so harsh on my face. Then I have pro-life club at 12:30, and then I have to drive to school for basketball practice. So I'll check in with you guys probably right before basketball practice and right after clubs because it's like a back-to-back day. Coffee machine so loud. It's right there, and I just opened my laptop case, and again it is the wrong size. I bought a new color. I made sure to look into the sizing of laptops, and somehow it's still the MacBook Air, which makes no sense. I made sure that it said like the 13-inch whatever MacBook Pro, still the wrong size, which is sad. So I'm gonna return that, get another one because I really want to put a laptop case on my laptop, and I keep getting the wrong sizes. So I'm just gonna get ready for school, finish making coffee, have breakfast, and then I'll check in with you guys later. I'll probably check in with you guys after all my classes and clubs, and then as I'm heading to basketball, I'll check in. So see you then. So I want to show you guys Amazon, right? You see how this is the correct laptop and all of the pieces are correct, and it says 13-inch models. I was reading even farther down here, and it says this case was designed only to be compatible with MacBook Pro Retina 13-inch So I don't know what the issue is because I can't find the correct size. So I'm gonna actually open up the case, and maybe I'm just being thrown off by it being packed up and that this actually is the correct one. So I'm gonna let you guys know. Screen protector. Okay, actually, I think it is the correct one because when they packed it together, it like leans down into this gap, if you can see. So I thought it was the wrong size, but I think that it might be the correct size. So again, it comes with a top. I don't know what this is. It comes with a screen protector and it comes with a keyboard. So I got the space gray color and it looks like this. Maybe this will show better. It's very simple, but I changed colors. I didn't get the navy blue. In this design, they didn't have navy blue, so I got the space gray, which I liked a lot better. So, space gray. See if the keyboard fits. That's kind of like the ultimate test. The keyboard fits. I'll show you guys. So it just looks super clean, as you can see. So now it's put on the rest of the pieces. I'll do the screen protector later. I don't have time for that because it's already 8:30 and I teach in 30 minutes. And I have to look over, where did I just put those scissors? I need to look over my stuff for school because I teach theology, so. Okay, so my laptop. I'm gonna unplug my, okay. So let's see if this fits. I don't even know which way it's supposed to go. So I'm really glad that I looked it up again on Amazon just to make sure. So it does completely fit. This is what it looks like. And then you have the laptop case that matches. And yeah, I got space gray. It's probably really hard to see in this lighting because it's really early in the morning and I don't have really good lighting in my house, but this is the laptop. So I'm super excited. It looks really nice and really clean, and I'm happy that I finally got the right size. So now I need to prepare for school, so I'll check with you guys later. Bye guys.